Just reviewing today and tomorrow for Thursday's test. So everything should be things we know how to do. Everything should be just kind of practice. So let's start with this one. Y'all go ahead and find the perimeter for that rectangle. The expression for the perimeter. Dulce, what'd you get? 10x plus 6 is incorrect. Shane? 18x plus 30 is incorrect. No. Plus what? All right, so the first thing we have to do, we have to distribute. All right, we're going to distribute first. So when we distribute with the length here, we get 8x minus 6. What that means, down here, 8x minus 6, and on the left side, x plus 9. Now all we're doing is we're combining our like terms. X's with x's, non-variables or constants with constants. So I can combine 8, 8, that's 16, plus 1x, plus 1x, that makes 18x. I got an 18x. Some of y'all had that. Now we combine the non-variables, our constants. So when we're combining our constants, I like to start with the positive numbers. It makes it easier, but you have to pay attention to the sign in front of the number. So I've got plus 9, that makes 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 then is 6. So 18x plus 6 is the perimeter. Any questions on that one? You cannot combine variables with non-variables. I saw a few of y'all trying to do that. And when you combine the constants, you have to pay attention to the signs. All right, 7x minus 3y if x equals 2 and y equals 4. Go ahead, try that one. Sophia? 2 is correct. We substitute 2 for x, so we got 7 times 2, and 4 for y, so we got 3 times 4. So all that is 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. Okay? Any questions on that one? Saw a lot more right answers written down. We need to find the missing number. So we're trying to find the missing number from the table there. It gives you the function 2x plus 5. So who could tell me the correct answer? (21) is correct. All right, so you take your function rule. It gives you 2x plus 5. And all we're doing is we're taking the x value and putting it in for x. So that question mark, or sometimes it's just a blank, but that question mark then is 2 times 8 plus 5. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 5 gives us 21. Any questions on that one? All right, I'm going to do this one. Saw a few problems with equations like this yesterday. When you are solving this, you solve by doing the opposite. On the left side here, what type of math is being done there? What operation? That's multiplication. So the opposite is division. So when we're dividing, one of the mistakes I saw was people wanting to write 3/4 divided by 1/2. Okay? When you do the division, what it's equal to, the solution on the other side, is what has to come first. Okay? So when you're trying to find what x equals, it's going to be 1/2 divided by 3/4. When we divide with a fraction, what do we do? Keep, change, flip. So we keep the 1/2. We change to multiplication. Flip the 3/4. Then straight across top. Straight across bottom. I can simplify that. 2 goes in each of those. So that would give me 2/3. So answer would be x equals 2/3. When you do that division, you need to make sure you have it in the correct order. The solution, in this case the half, has to go first. If you put the 3/4 first, you would have got 3/2 instead. So changing the order changes how your answer's flipped. All right, you had a couple graphs on your homework last night. For the graphs, you want to find a point that is on a corner of the grid lines. So for this graph, I'll use that point right there. Then all you're doing is your y value divided by x. So my y value is 35. My x value is 5. So 35 divided by 5 is 7. So if I do the 35 divided by 5, that gives me 7. Then the only thing is, when you're writing your function, when you're writing your equation, it's y equals, and what you're doing is you're taking this number here and it's being multiplied by x. So you work it out with division, but your solution is multiplied by x. Okay? I know some people yesterday were trying to put division there. So you solve with division, the answer is multiplication. Everybody clear on that?